What's up guys, we back at it again. Joel Henry here, owner and lead detailer of Premier Auto Appearance. I'm here to introduce our most exclusive line of ceramic coating, Sequart's Finest. Sequart's Finest is regarded as the most exclusive coating in the world. Not to mention, it is the glossiest short-term coating on the market. Only the best detailers around the world are chosen to market and install Sequart's Finest. So enough talking, let me show you why Premier Auto Appearance was chosen.
Who got the keys to my bim?